Welcome, here I've got Microsoft Surface Duo and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to general category, and here at the first place we have the grid option, so when we tap on it we can add 3 types of grid lines to our picture. Let me start with 3 and 3. When we tap on them and tap to OK, we can turn them on, and in the preview now we have these lines. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography. Another tap to right corner, slide down to general category, tap to grid, and we can pick 4 and 4, and then OK. In the preview now we have more of them. They are also useful when we want to make experiments with composition at our picture. And let me show you once again these settings and the last type, golden ratio. When we turn them on, we can see this type of grid lines. And of course, when we don't need them, we have to move back to these settings and simply turn them off here. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.